Okay, so I chose up. Let me clean up my screen a little bit. All right. So I chose to do problem number 8 of homework 11.3's forum. And so it was asking for the area, and it gave us, I don't know if you can see it very well in here, but it gave us the side of 19, the angle of 47, and I believe that's another side of 30. So 19 and 30 are the sides, and then the angle is 47 degrees. So to solve for x, which is that other angle that I have right here, I just labeled it x. I just did the form for finding that side length. So I did 30 squared plus 19 squared minus 2 times 30 times 19 cosine of 47. And I'm getting like x is equal to 21 point blah, 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 blah. And in order to find the area, we first have to find s. And so s is going to be 1/2 the sum of all the sides. So I did that, and after that I plugged in my formula into the area portion. And after I plugged in my numbers with the area formula, I ended up getting 208.4358 as the area for that triangle.